today, we will be conducting our mock recall exercise specifically for our value-added meats facility.
Ang lahat po ng beef tapa products natin na nasa mga warehouses and stores ay kailangan po nating i-put to hold and kailangan po nating i-contain yung mga products. All pertinent and relevant documents po na kung saan naka-record yung kung paano ginawa yung produkto ay kailangan po nating i-collect at i-gather at kailangan nating maipasa within 3 hours from the recall announcement.